Hello students, let us learn a program to print the sum of two numbers. C program begins with a header file stdio.h. Stdio indicates standard input and output functions. The main indicates the beginning of your particular program. It is followed by the flower parenthesis, that is where we are going to write the actual code of your particular program. Here we need to define two variables. I'm going to define the variable as A and B, and we need one more variable to store the result of these two variables. So I have included the third variable sum. Here int basically indicates that a, b and sum variable is going to hold the value of integer type. Integer is a whole number. We can give the various values like a can be equal to 10 or b can be equal to 20. We cannot include the numbers like 10.1 or 20.1. We cannot include the floating point numbers over here. So this is defined as a data type. Data type basically says what kind of value we are going to give to the different variables. The next line, we have to initialize the values for our variables. So it can be given by the user. So printf enter the values of A and B. This basically gives the user a message to include or initialize the values for the variables A and B. Next line begins with the scanf statement. Scanf is an input statement. So here we are taking two different values from the user. So I'm going to write it as %d %d. Here I have written %d two times because the first %d is for the integer value that is supplied to the variable A, and second one is for the value for the B. Ampersand A, comma, ampersand B. In the next line, we are going to write the expression sum is equal to A plus B. Then we are going to print the result. Printf sum is equal to %d because %d is a format specifier used for representing the integer value. Here we came to the end of our particular program. Now let us execute the program. We'll click on the build option to compile the program. We'll click on the run button to obtain the output of our particular program. Enter the value of A and B. Now I am giving the value 10 for the variable A and value 20 for the variable B. Here I got the value sum is equal to 30. Thank you.